What is that you're opening?
A LOL. You see her face?
A LOL?
And it's got some sparkles. And it's got some directions. So
Wait a minute. I think you're opening it. You got to do this zipper right here. There's a zipper right there.
And
You got to get this one before you get that one. See? Watch. Hold it.
I see the
See? You got to peel that one off. Why do they wrap this up like that?
because it's supposed to be wrapped up like it. Like that. Like this.
And this is called LOL?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait a minute. There's another zipper.
Super.
Where's this pink one? Finish that right there.
I decided and
Can you get it? Hold on, let me help
I'm
you.
so excited.
I see. Hold on. Alright, got it. Alright. Look, you got one more. Nope, you gotta do the zipper. It's over here. Oh, they point right here. Can you get it? Let me help you.
This side is broken.
Oh, you got it.
I decided to break it out.
Do you know what's inside of it?
Yes, ma'am, it's the LOL doll.
Oh, a LOL doll? Oh my.
Oh, it's that little necklace.
Well, where's the doll? I don't see no doll.
Look, it's in here.
Wait a minute. That's a real little bitty doll. Move, Daisy.
I drew something. It's inside.
Do you really think a doll baby in there? That is the most littlest doll baby. Wait a minute.
Oh no.
That ain't no doll baby.
It's a cloud.
Okay, put it in here so we can not lose it. Put this one in here too. I don't know what that is.
That's the cinema.
And what else you got?
And I also.
What is this?
Oh, that's just the doll baby.
Well, she's awful little.
Oh, her head is crispy. Let's open it.
Can you get it open?
No, ma'am.
Okay, hold on. Let me try. You hold one end, I hold one end. Ooh! She hit the floor. Ooh! She got dirt on her. Blow her off.
Look!
She is pretty. She was just born. Look at the baby.
Oh, she's cute.
She got dirt on her. But she needs some clothes on.
She got some clothes in here.
Oh, she do. Can you get it? Let me see.
Oh, don't tell me this is
What is it?
a cow.
Oh my goodness! Well, she needs some clothes on. Where's her clothes?
It's in here. Her can also hold it.
Oh, she's such a pretty baby.
And you
I don't
check
understand.
it.
But wait, she better have some clothes in there because that ain't going to be right.
It's clothes in here.
It better be. What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness! It's some shoes! She got some shoes!
You got pretty shoes.
They're so pretty! Look at the shoes! I'm so excited! Okay. Alright, what else you got? Don't lose your shoes.
I think it's clothes in here. Don't let me. Let it be closed.
Let me help you. What is it?
Damn it, me.
What is it?
It's a pretty
on like that?
I'm so excited to put on her dress.
Cody and Jessica,
On her.
you are team number 6, still in the race.
I'm gonna spin her.
You know how to do it?
The next leg, be ready for anything. And perhaps you made a good choice today.
I think everyone was afraid to throw their first punch today with the
Oh, let me try.
set the tone on that.
I think you kind of wrap it around her body.
You know, when the stakes are high, you gotta do what you gotta do.
There.
I think you had to put her on
I don't know if it's a bad thing. Maybe the other teams won't see us as being that strong, and when the next U-turn comes, they may not use it against us.
I mean, one can hope. I got one arm here. I got arm.
I think you got it on backwards.
Trevor and Chris,
That's her butt, ain't it? Is that her stomach? Is that her butt or her stomach? Oh, I think that's her butt. Okay, that's her stomach. Try it again.
Little irony on the stage.
We were under the watchful gaze of a statue of Antonin Dvorak, who's a very famous romantic
There you go.
composer. We play the American Quartet, actually, in our concert repertoire.
Every time we play that now, I think we'll have a little memory.
She got glitter going everywhere. Almost. Just hook it around the arm. There. Oh, there it is. Oh, she is beautiful.
Yes, see.
In her little shoes. She's so pretty. How you like it? How do you like it?
It's so pretty.
Is that a nice birthday present?
Yes, now.
Okay, so tell everybody you like it.
I like it, but I think I saw some more
You got some more what?
of these.
No, ain't no more to open. That's it. Tell everybody bye. Look at the camera.